This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Come on, guys. September 4th, 2018. Listen here, I got a call for burner not firing up. It's a Reillo burner. So, I've been there. I was there last year, did a cleaning on it. So, go over there and see what's going. See if we're getting oil flow, and sometimes the head gets carboned up. You have to clean that off or the fire. But we'll check it out. It's a Reillo burner, I know that. Try to get you some shots. The guy's not watching me. So it's off on safety. It looks like that's the problem right there, maybe.
What's that?
This thing broke. Firematic broke.
Huh.
See it? I think that's your problem. Yeah, it's a firematic valve.
Yeah.
See if we can switch it out. They were kind of defective. This is gonna go. It's gonna start that way, so I'm gonna. Might have to just change it. You just have to put another one on there. I got another one in the truck. We'll just change the whole thing.
Okay.
Shut it off at the tank and we'll change it out.
You gonna get to the tank?
Yeah. Just gonna put another firematic on there. Having a hard time getting that spindle off, so we'll just put a new one. I got other ones in here. Should have. There we go, I got one over here. Short one. It'll work.
All there is to it?
We got oil. Oh, that's the broken one. Things happen, huh?
Yeah. Better than in the middle of the winter, though, right?
Yeah, it was kind of odd that I seen that. It wasn't up enough, so they call that experience.
Yeah, I mean, this thing's not that old. Broke so soon.
Yeah, he's still working over there at the campus.
Oh yeah, he's like the busiest guy in the world. He's the one who put this in.
Yeah.
And you put the one in previously.
this is all it was. We'll find out.
What's the problem? No oil was firing in?
Yeah, well, if you can see how this is sticking up. See how this is sticking up?
Yeah.
The other one was down, so that for some reason that thing let go and it shut it off. It's a safety.
Okay.
In case you had a fire, if you had a fire, that would shut off and stop the burner from running.
Okay.
But obviously, you didn't have a fire, right?
No.
It was just one of those freak things, I'm thinking. You ever hear that saying, shit happens?
Yeah.
Have you?
No, of course.
Yeah, so that's the truth, right?
Yeah.
So I'm probably gonna have to bleed the pump. We'll go turn the oil back on and
Should you clean it too while you're here? Or?
yeah, I'll check the nozzle and
Yeah.
we'll check the oil flow and
Because I know they would have called you anyway in the fall.
yeah, because we had a good oil flow last year. Yeah, I'll check it all good. So.
That's what you said every year, right?
Once a year is good. Go turn the oil back on.
Regular schedule.
I got the oil back on, so.
Are these all pretty much the same to work on, or do they differ from brand to brand?
Well, this is what they call a Reillo. It's a good burner.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do differ a little bit. Somewhat. Oh, this is a good burner. Boy, windy down here in the water, huh?
Yeah, it's always a breeze.
It's always a breeze.
Pretty much, yeah.
A little bit of carbon on there, not crazy, but enough.
What do you do, record everything?
I do.
That'd be a good idea.
Lucky on that one.
Yeah. What is that part?
That's the nozzle. It's not really bad carbon wise, but put a new nozzle on there. It's been a year.
again.
Ain't that the truth, huh?
It's too easy to just stick stuff in the garage.
Yeah, I know it. It's better than having it all over the house, though.
Yeah.
You never have a big enough garage.
You know, I was thinking that just before you came here. I was standing out here saying, I wish this was bigger.
Yeah, that's funny. Wish the garage was bigger.
Yeah. So I fit more junk in it, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Never mind a car. Half this stuff is the painter, who's supposed to be back here months ago. He left half his stuff here.
Oh, okay. It's almost like a heating guy.
Yeah. Yeah, it must be crazy for you guys in the winter, huh?
Well, yeah, when it first starts up it is, and then everything gets fixed and cleaned, and then it kind of comes in a little bit at a time. And it won't bleed it. 5 and 6. And I'll run just the motor so I can bleed it. See if there's any air in it. I think that's what it was. That thing just shut off. And
when you hit the reset button, what does that do?
all right, that reset. If it don't fire within 15 seconds, it shuts it off.
Okay.
To stop it from filling it with oil.
Uh-huh.
If it don't fire, it's not going to fire. Why fill it with oil? So it's a safety.
All right. So is that oil from hitting the reset button?
No, that's
No.
I just bled the pump because I had it open, right? Remember?
Okay.
So I had to bleed it because not only that, I had it open. Plus that if that thing did melt away, you know, it'd be sucking all the oil out of here, and there wasn't any, so I had to bleed. Get it back together. She should fire right out now. So it's just kind of an odd thing. I'm thinking. We'll get a decent flow, so I don't gotta change the filter.
Okay.
The oil's been a lot cleaner lately. So.
Oh yeah. Does it matter where you get it, or is it all the same?
Well, no, it's low sulfur oil now. They changed that a couple of years ago, and it's a lot cleaner. They all get it from the same place.
Yeah.
You're better off just to get it wherever it's cheapest.
Yeah.
You know what the Orchid Diner is?
I do.
Right behind the Orchid Diner, there's a big cage there.
Uh-huh.
That's where they all fill up.
Oh yeah.
You go over there, I mean, you see sometimes there's oil trucks in there. There's a giant tank behind there, and they fill it up.
So they all go to the same place.
Yes. You know, unless it's a giant company and they got their own storage for oil, which I doubt that.
I don't even know who I use.
A lot of these guys will tell you to go with them because they offer you service and, you know, it's just legitimate, you know. Everybody's got to make money, right? Everybody's got to make a living somehow.
follow Mike's lead on this stuff.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. I don't know anything about it. He does. I've known him for a long time.
Yeah, I work at his house. I do his oil burner.
Oh yeah. He doesn't even do his own.
He don't work on oil burners. He works on. He's more of a plumber.
Yeah.
Yeah, not everybody works on oil burners.
Yeah. Actually, he had a couple other guys with him when he put this in, so they were.
Oh no, he installing oil, but he won't work on the burner. The burner itself. I'm gonna hit the reset.
I should tell you too. I hit a button up here. I don't know if that matters.
No, she just fired.
That box.
What button? I don't see no button on this box.
Right, where did I hit? And it's changed, heating water.
No, it's firing now. It's running, so we're good.
What I hit?
She fired right up. New Firematic at burner. New nozzle with oil flow. Barris, huh? Good burner.
Yeah.
Alright guys, they just left that job. That was that Firematic. When I went there, I seen that it wasn't sticking up. And it was the handle, but I couldn't get that piece off of there, so I just had another one in the truck. I just changed it out. No big deal. Changed the nozzle while I was there, getting a good oil flow. He's good to go for another year.